Hi, I'm Digby.
Yeah, this is me again. This is like so amazing. Third episode.
That's Max. Yes, so, we are going to be doing out, so like how you get out, in 2 Square. So, first, Max will be demonstrating a nice low serve, which we call it a sweeper. Yeah, so this is how you do it.
And
yeah,
then
really
if
low.
If it bounces twice in your square like this, then you're out. If you fool it like this, without making it bounce in your square, you're out as well.
And when you pass it to me, you have to hit it again in your square, or if you want, you can bang it up and do a headsy. The way, or you could, if you do it low, this is what Alexander, in my class, he made up. So they're called monkey grabs.
No, they're already real, but he just uses them a lot.
You
so
go like
say
this.
The ball's coming to you.
So
and it's going too low.
So
you can grab it.
Yeah.
2 seconds.
So I'll pass it to Max, and he'll example. Yeah, so you basically grab, hold it, and then,
like
go.
A monkey.
Yeah. So now we'll be showing you something, I don't know, just, Max will tell you.
Okay, now we will be doing hitting it out of the squares.
So in 2 Square, there's like a square, and where if you want, so if for basic, see that white, see that this little area here, just pretend that's past the line. So if I go like this and hit that wall and it doesn't bounce in the square, I'm out because it didn't come in. This,
and if you go on the side like this,
and if it goes on the side
too far, then
you're out. You're out. And this is example of me being in. So you go like this. See, like that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, kind of like that, and then it got too low, so I have to do a monkey grab that Alexander always uses. So now we'll just be doing some gameplay. Yeah, like at the end of the video. That was just my mom. She was just being annoying. Okay, now let's do some gameplay.
And using our out skills.
And using our out skills.
Maybe 5. 1, just normal.
So let's just wait.
You're out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, that's round 1 done.
Okay. So we're playing. So
you're out.
So I fooled it. That means I'm out.
Now. He hit it too hard.
So I hit it too hard and it went out of the square. So I am out.
And this. That's out.
So I hit it out the side. I'm still out.
Okay, now we'll just be doing constant rally with no special things. That was a full, but play on.
So I'm holding it. I've got a monkey grab, and then I let it go again.
But you can only do that for 3 seconds, and those things are really annoying. These things that you can hit them. Okay, and monkey grabs you can only hold for 2 seconds.
Hold it and let go.
2 or 3 seconds.
Oh, so you're out. So
yeah.
now I'm king.
And he can serve.
So now you got a monkey grab. So yeah, that's all for today.
From me and Dig.
Yeah. So I hope you
Hey, it's my ball. Give it back.
I hope you subscribe and like all our my mom's videos.
Yeah, or mine.
Not yours.
I don't even have a YouTube account.
It's my mom's. But like, subscribe, rate, all those things. And thanks for watching.
Woo!
Bye.